guys, welcome back to another Generations Restorations episode. We are currently stripping the paint off a door here with one of my least favorite processes. That's chemical stripping, but it works rather well. This door here we media blasted the inside, all the areas that the media blaster would not hurt. If you look over here to the body shell, it's all stripped down to bare metal. We're going to work a little bit more on the factory LED areas here around the body, back here at the tail lights where all the factory panels are leaded together. Do a little more filler work and try to get an epoxy primer here. So let's look back at the video and see how this process was done. We built these arms here, these brackets, to fit the Jag body onto the rotisserie. Since Auto Toller doesn't make anything for a Jag, we made our own. And made it pretty well here too. We got it, we're able to spin the whole car upside down. And it's pretty strong, I'd say. As you can see underneath the car is very nice. Got it all degreased and cleaned off, and we're going to start sandblasting today. So let's get on with it. We've had a few technical problems with our cameras. For some reason, we thought we were recording and we weren't. So we're trying to get through that. But if you can look at what we have done here, we have most of the body is done, being stripped down to the bare metal. All the sandblasting is done. We're going to start today with the good old reliable DA sander and start getting the flat panels sanded down to bare metal. So come on over here, Blake. As an important thing too, you can see Blake has his safety equipment on. We're all about safety around here most of the time. Go ahead, Blake. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.